So here we are at LogiPharma 2025 SkyCell booth. I'm with Richard Ettl, CEO of SkyCell. Interesting news this week about your collaboration with Microsoft. Would you tell us all about that?
Happy to do so. This is part of a wider strategy improvement that we have done to SkyCell. Over the years, we've developed software and also monitoring for our own containers, and now we've perfected it and we are offering to the pharma industry as a pharma monitoring service. This encompasses devices that we've developed, first for our own containers, then we've started to monitor airline equipment. We're monitoring more than 110,000 airline equipment. So we've built a monitoring base at more than 255 airports. And now back on that infrastructure, we can offer monitoring to pharma. Now, Microsoft, where does it come into play? So now we're detecting, let's say, millions of shipments that are reporting some form of a status. We need to have systems in place that can, in an automated fashion, analyze that and then draw conclusions and do recommendations to users, to logistics experts, in order to prevent temperature excursions or loss. And this is what we've done with Microsoft. We've built onto the Microsoft AI platform, Copilot, and then also with Teams, the Microsoft ecosystem around Teams, distributing the information to the right people that can do something about it. So it goes from data to action.
So also we heard that you're offering a net zero offering. Would you tell us about that as well?
Yeah. So the net zero enhances our existing offering for the 1500X. And here we noticed that obviously renting out equipment also means there's always an empty transport. And today the industry default is that you fly back by air. That's a significant CO2 emission. With our offering in net zero, we actually bring it back 100% on ocean. And so that reduces at least 90% of the emissions, because oceans has so much less CO2 emissions. And the difference is offset with technology. So not planting trees, but actually offsetting using technology. So removal from the atmosphere. And so that, imagine instead of just generating 18 tons of CO2 saving with our previous offering, now you get an additional almost 18 tons on top. So you're going from 18 tons to 36 tons of saving in comparison to an active container.
So Richard, do you think events like LogiPharma are really useful for improving industry collaboration?
Yeah, I think LogiPharma is great because it brings the whole ecosystem together. It's the pharma freight forwarders, it's packaging technology, data monitoring, airlines. Everyone comes together to exchange the latest ideas on how to improve the state of pharma, how to reduce cost and risk.
Thanks, Richard. Thank you for your time today, and it's been a pleasure talking to you.
No, thank you very much.